Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're returning back, thank you for coming back. But first, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button so you can have fresh new content from me every single week. Well, let's make a nice, wonderful, cool color smoothie made with raspberry and peach, and I think it has such a beautiful color. So, it has some wonderful nutritional benefits of hemp hearts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Let's start adding our peaches to our almond milk. All the ingredients will be listed for you in this video. Now we're going to add our raspberries. Both of these have vitamin C in them. We are definitely adding some honey because you lose some of that natural sweetness from the fruit when it's frozen because it's watered down with ice. We are going to add some trilogy, which has your hemp hearts, your chia seeds. I say chia, you could say chia, tomato, and flaxseed for your health benefit. Now we're adding a little ice to make sure it remains nice, cold, and thick. Frozen peach slices, vitamins E, K, niacin, folate, iron, chlorine, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and copper. Frozen raspberries, A, B6, calcium, potassium, riboflavin, thiamine, and zinc. Almond milk, A, D, E, and calcium. Hemp hearts, E, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. Vanilla yogurt, B6, B12, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and riboflavin. Chia seeds, calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, omega-3 fatty acids, phosphorus, and selenium. Honey, calcium, magnesium, niacin, pantothenic acid, and potassium. Flax seeds, B6, copper, magnesium, manganese, omega-3 fatty acids, and phosphorus. So let's start to blend our smoothie. Look how it's all starting to come together and forming to be a liquid. I'm so excited. So our smoothie is still blending to form itself together to become a thick, creamy liquid. And here are a list of ingredients. So look how thick and creamy our smoothie looks as it's being poured into this glass. The color is so pretty and it smells so refreshing. The peach and the raspberry. I can't wait to taste it. Children who experience food insecurity may have trouble focusing and learning in school. Well, G, our resident taste tester is here, and he's going to let us know, I think it's such a pretty color, how our peach raspberry smoothie came out.
Well, let's see. So overall, very refreshing. The sweetness of the peach and the raspberry, they don't really fault each other. They more help each other with the tart of the raspberry. It blends well with the peach. And then the seeds too, from the chia seeds and the raspberries, there's a nice texture coming up through the straw. And overall, just a nice, refreshing smoothie for a hot day.
He is 100% right. In these high temperatures that we're having in all these different states that are breaking records, having this peach raspberry smoothie that's not overly sweet, because the sweetness of the peach gets toned down definitely from the little bit of the tartness from the raspberry. It'll definitely cool you down and you won't feel like that you're having all this sugar intake. And you have that wonderful dose of the fiber of the oatmeal in here. And your health is wealth with the trilogy of the hemp hearts and chia seeds, or chia seeds, however you say it. I say chia. Tomatoes, right? And the flax seed. Definitely give this a try. Let us know in the comments how it worked out for you. And we will see you in our next video, Gio and I. And remember, be good to yourself and God bless you. Mwah.